Hi guys, and welcome to ESL and Eyeshadow with me, Beth. Today we're going to be talking about an ESL tip and trick. And today is going to be all about adjective order in sentences. Now, if you speak to a normal native speaker who isn't a grammar teacher, they will always put their adjectives into the correct order when describing an object, but they may not know why they're doing that. Making sure you describe objects accurately is really important, especially if you're taking an ESL test. So why do we put adjectives into a particular order in English? And why does it sound so weird to an English speaker if you put them in the wrong order? Well, that's because we start always with subjective opinion. So, for example, how something looks, I may consider to be very beautiful, but you may consider it to be very ugly. So, that is a subjective opinion. So how something looks, whether it's beautiful, ugly, cute, pretty, disgusting, this is your opinion. So we always put this first because that will change from person to person. Next, we will focus on size. So how big something is. Now, you would think that the size of something is a fact, but no, it's actually more of an opinion, because something I consider to be quite big, you may consider to be quite small, or the opposite. For example, my coffee cup. I don't think it's that big. My husband thinks it's huge. So the size of something is actually an opinion. So this goes further up the list than it does down. So we would say a beautiful big cup and end with the noun. Now, the next thing we would look at is the age of something. Is it old? Is it new? Again, this is more subjective. What I consider to be quite old, you may consider to be quite new. It depends on your perspective. So we've got how something appears, the appearance, then we have the size, and then we have the age. So we could say a beautiful, big, old cup. And we go on. So usually we wouldn't use more than 3 adjectives to describe something, but there are more on the list, so we're going to go through them now. So after we've done appearance, size and age, we look at shape or style. So for example, long or short, or round or square. Now this is becoming more specific. So we're moving from subjective opinion down towards objective fact. So up here where we start, we've got the things we consider opinion, and as we move down towards the noun, we have things that we consider to be fact. So we have appearance, age, size, shape or style, and next we have colour or pattern. It's very difficult to dispute if something is blue or not. If I hold up this cup and say, this cup is purple, you'd say, don't be silly, Beth, it's clearly green. And you'd be right. So colour is more of a fact. But there are things that are more factual than colour. For example, nationality. Your nationality doesn't change. I plan on taking Spanish citizenship soon, so I will be a citizen of Spain, but my nationality will remain English. So that never changes. You can't change where you were born. So this is a fact. Then finally, we have material. So for example, leather, wood, silk, or cotton. You can't change what something is made of. That's a fact. And then finally, you have the noun. So, for example, you could have, but are unlikely to hear this sentence, a beautiful, big, old, round, pink, Italian, cotton, scarf. We wouldn't use that many adjectives usually in a sentence. Try to stick to a maximum of 3. But remember, the order is opinion to fact. So appearance, size, age, shape or style, colour, nationality, material, and finally the noun. So I hope this has helped clear up the order of adjectives in sentences for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give a like and subscribe, and join me again for more ESL and join me again for more ESL tips and tricks another day. Bye!